Hello and welcome to this AutoCAD Electrical tutorial series. In this first lesson, we will learn the basics of AutoCAD Electrical, understand its interface, and explore the essential tools you need to get started. AutoCAD Electrical is a specialized version of AutoCAD designed for electrical engineers, technicians, and designers. It allows us to create professional electrical schematics, panel layouts, and control diagrams efficiently. When you open AutoCAD Electrical, you will notice it looks similar to standard AutoCAD, but with additional features. The key difference is the presence of the Project Manager and the Electrical toolset, which provide access to libraries of electrical symbols, wires, and components. At the top, we have the ribbon with different tabs such as Home, Insert, Schematic, Panel, and Reports. On the left, the Project Manager helps organize all the drawings and circuits into a single project. The main workspace is where we will create and edit our electrical diagrams. Some important tools you should know right from the start are: Insert Components, to place electrical symbols like switches, relays, or motors. Wire Tool, to connect components with proper electrical wiring. Tagging and Numbering, to automatically assign reference numbers to wires and components. That's all for the introduction and basics of AutoCAD Electrical. In the next lesson, we will learn how to start the new project in AutoCAD Electrical using Project Manager step by step. Don't forget to subscribe and continue with the series to become confident in using AutoCAD Electrical.